Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to teach you how to remove background of any image. First of all, you have to select an image which you want to change the background image. I am going to like this image to use the background color. This is a tall boy standing against any TV stand. We are going to remove this stand and place this image to another place. And which place we are going to move this, we will also open that desired image. Go to our download and this image we are adjust this image to in this location. How to do this? First of all, remove the extra image part from the image like this. Click OK. All images remaining area remove by crop tool. Using the crop tool, I select this area and then I delete that area. After this, a polygonal lash tool select and start the cutting image. First of all, zoom the image and start from here. Click here, click here, click here. Click on the corner of the desired image. Look like I use the corner. Press the minus button, then system will be resume this picture. This area we don't need. I am going to select this like this. If you mistakenly click here, press the backspace button, system will be returned to previous stage, previous selection area. Select the desired image carefully. If you select carefully, then this will be more clear and more. If you think you select the wrong, press the backspace button. System will be returned to previous selection button. Press the minus button, system will be plus the zoom button, plus button to zoom. For more accurate data, we need to zoom. Again select. Yes, after the selecting the area, you have just to remove the lock, because this lock area. Select the selection toolbar and after the selecting, drag and drop this to second image. System will be show look like this. This system you have to, for the more focus, you have to less size, because this is very big image. According to your need, you can set the image like this. After setting, press the button. We will be setting the redirect the setting properly. You can set according to your desire. Using this, you can move this any image to any location and any video where you want to show the where you want to use this image. This is the way. After this you can save this image to like a JPG file. Save as. Here you select the JPG image, JPGs, name the raw George, click the desktop, press the save button, quality high, done. Press this, system will be save this image here. We have no any app to open the desired file. Again we are going to save, export as for web, save for web. Here I am select to JPG 24, JPG quality high, and press the save button. System will be asking me the name for desktop, this name for George 2. After clicking check this image will be pasted here. Click on the image, system will be saved the image for us. You can zoom, you can check the image, system will be placed here. Thanks for your watching. Please keep watching for more about the Adobe Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for your watching.